Studio 5, get a little bit closer to your body goals without invasive surgery. Dr. Jensen is here to explain how CoolSculpting targets problem fat areas to give you sort of a one-of-a-kind tailored results, and best of all, zero downtime, which I know a lot of your clients really appreciate. They don't have to undergo the knife and all of the scary factors that are associated with that.
Right, it's so exciting. A couple of things to know about CoolSculpting. One, it doesn't replace healthy lifestyle. I want all my patients to exercise and eat right. And two, it really works. It's so exciting to think that you can go to the doctor's office and have an applicator placed on your love handle and walk away, and a month later your love handle shrunk.
It almost sounds too good to be true, though I know many years ago when it got that FDA stamp of approval, a lot of people started to raise their eyebrows and take closer attention. So what exactly is at work that is so miraculous?
Well, it is almost too good to be true, but it does work. What happens is the area that you want treated is drawn into almost like a suction cup, the applicator. And on the inside of the applicator there's some cooling plates, and they bring your fat cells down to a certain temperature. Fat cells are different from skin cells and nerve cells and blood vessels, and they cannot tolerate a certain cool exposure. When they're treated through the CoolSculpting process, that triggers the fat cells. 25% of the fat cells drawn into that suction plate will die on their own within a few days.
Die, disappear, be gone forever?
Permanently.
Wow.
You start to see them go away, so you start to see results in as early as 3 weeks, but up to 6 months, you'll just continue to get smaller and smaller after that application's been done.
So you see the results within 3 weeks. How long does the actual procedure take, or how many times do you have to have the procedure done?
Most applicators are on for about 35 minutes. Some of the applicators are a little bit longer, 75 minutes. I just had my outer thighs done 2 nights ago, and that's a 75-minute procedure, but most of the applications are 35 minutes.
You mentioned the thighs. We're seeing the abdomen as well. What area of the body can this treat?
Okay, well, I'm a good example of that. I've had a lot of treatments. I've had my arms, my chest, my love handles, my inner and outer thighs, and my knees.
All right, so that head, shoulders, knees, and toes, pretty much.
A popular one is the double chin.
Oh yeah, okay. So even smaller areas could be sucked into that chamber you talked about, and the fat frozen away. What's the cost for a procedure like this?
Each application ranges between $475 and $700, and it just depends on how many applications you buy, how much fat you want removed will determine how many times you want an area treated.
Okay. All right. Where are you located?
Layton and Clinton, Utah.
Covering us on both sides there. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. It's a cool procedure, no pun intended.
Awesome.
A cool procedure to know about CoolSculpting. We'll link you over to Dr. Jensen's website if you want more information.